Hey there, beautiful people out there, it's me again. So in today's video we're going to be doing a Carter's haul. So if you guys don't know, your girl loves Carter's, okay? Like, Carter's is my favorite store. Like, ever since I had Maddie, I've always shopped at Carter's, and now that I have another baby, I'm back to shopping at Carter's again. And I try to stay away from Carter's, but every time they send me their emails with new stuff and the coupon at the bottom, I'm like, oh my gosh, Carter's, you got to chill. And then we go to the outlets and you get an extra discounts, y'all. Oh my gosh. So yeah, Carter's gets me for my coins every time. So I'm going to show you guys a few things that I bought for baby boy and also for Maddie as well, because I bought her a few things. Because the fall is finally upon us. Well, if the heat would chill out, then the fall weather will finally be upon us. I don't know if you guys know, but we're moving to Texas. So I don't even know if it's going to be cool around this time. So just in case it does get cold, I was able to find some really cute fall things for baby boy. And I want to show you guys. So without any further ado, let's get it. So in his last monthly update, I shared that he's wearing 6 month stuff now. So 3 to 6, but mostly 6 months because he's just gaining weight. He's just getting big so fast. So I decided to just go ahead and buy him some 9 month stuff because 6 month stuff fits him perfectly. But I don't want to always buy him stuff that fits perfectly because before I know it, it's going to get small for him. So I found these cute jeans. Ooh, these are so cute. So these are like jeggings. I bought these. So these are really cute. They're like jeggings. Disclaimer, most of the stuff that I found, they were doorbusters. So you know, so you guys don't know what doorbusters are. They are pretty much new stuff that are on sale. Their doorbusters can range from $6.97, $9.97, $14.97. It ranges. They have different prices for their doorbusters. So this was a doorbuster and these were $6.97. They're jegging pants just for him to wear right now. These are 6 months, but you know, the weather does its own thing. So when it's cold right now, he can wear these. The reason why I went to Carter's was to buy him some pajamas. But like I said, they got me for my coin. So instead of me just getting what I went to get, I got extra stuff. So forgive me. But yeah, so I got him some pajamas because he gets very warm at night. He's like his daddy. He sweats a lot. So I found some cute pajamas that aren't thick material that would keep him cool at night. And also it doesn't have the footy part because he likes it. He doesn't mind the footy parts, but just to keep him extra cool, I got him these that were without the footies. So these were on clearance for $5.99. Sometimes with the clearance you can take an extra 20% off or you can take an extra 30% off. So I think these were 20% off of the red tab. So I got these for a really good discount. It was also on the sale rack. It says super cute. So I got this for him to wear now. And this was on sale for $3.99. So I was like, what? Oh, you coming home? Gotta get you home with me tonight. Yeah, I had to get these. So some more doorbusters that I found were these cute little one-piece suits. And I really like them because they zip up. So this is the 6 months. I got this so he can wear it now. And I just love it. It's so cute. And it has a little doggy on the back. And then I got this for him to wear when it starts to get cold. So this is a 9 month and it has a little fur inside of the hoodie. And I just love it because you just throw them in there, not throw them in there, but just put them in there, zip it up, and he is about his merry way. And this was my favorite one right here. I don't know what it is about this. It reminds me of like one of those Letterman jackets. Like, I just love it. It says H handsome. Say right, it says he's handsome. So yeah, I got this. Oh no. This was supposed, oh no. I gotta return this because this was supposed to be a 9 month and I got a 6 month. Shoot. Yeah, I gotta return this. Ooh, I'm glad I did this video because I was gonna be mad at myself putting this on him months later. It would have been small for him. So thanks you guys for reminding me to put this to the side. I got this one as well. This was on a clearance rack and I just love it. A little hoodie and his zipper as well. Little dog. The pajamas, some more pajamas that I got for him. This one, it says handsome as well, has an H and a handsome on there as well. And then this one has the footies on there, but it looks like little shoes on there. That's so cute. So it has like little footballs, soccer balls, volleyball, and I got this one as well. So like I said, most of the pajamas aren't thick material because I don't want him to get hot at night. But I got this for him. It has little different dogs on there. Has a Labrador, sheepdog, and I also got some socks for him because his socks are getting real small for him because his feet are getting big. These are 3 to 12 month socks, so he'll grow into these for the rest of the year, and then once he gets bigger, then we'll get him some more socks. So really thick material pajamas don't work for her at night as well. So I got her a 2-piece. When I go to Carter's, I always look for pajamas that have 2 or 3-piece pajamas because I'm not spending $14 on one pajamas. That's not happening. So give me 2 for my money. So I found one that I found a set on sale. So I have a 2-piece short sleeve and shorts, and I just love this color because it's so pretty. So they just have hearts on there, and then this one says cute and sleepy because she is cute and when she's sleeping. And these are the pants. I have the dress pajamas, but I didn't get that for her. I didn't get the dress pajamas that I wanted to get for her because it wasn't on sale. So after that, we went to Target, and I didn't mean to go looking for clothes, but you know how I do. I just go looking for stuff. I found this in the clearance section, and it was on sale for $5.58, and it was 30% off. So I thought this was so cute. It's a 1-piece. And I just love that. It has pockets. Y'all know how us women do. It has pockets. So yes, it has pockets on there. With Maddie, so with her, I'm gonna do some fall shopping for her as well. But like I said, I just went to Carter's to get some pajamas for baby boy, and I ended up coming with half a rack. So every time I go there, I always start in the sale rack area just to see what leftovers they have, because you know they switch out seasonal things, but sometimes in the midst of that you can find things that are on season, on sale. You know, I guess they just didn't sell well, so they put them on sale. So you know me, I don't mind. As long as it's cute and baby boy can fit it, I'm taking it home with me. So I don't care. If you sign up for their emails, you can get a coupon. It's 20% off of $40 or 15% off your total purchase. But you cannot use it on doorbusters, clearance, or something else. It's something else. So it was only able to take off for one thing that I have. I don't know which item it was, but I couldn't use it on a clearance or doorbuster stuff. So that's how it is, you guys. But other than that, like I said, start in the sale area, then work your way to the front. Utilize those doorbusters, and just Carter, you can take all my coins, okay? I mean, you can even sponsor me. I would love to have a partnership with Carter's because I love their stuff. Like, even moms, when I go out in public, they're like, oh my God, did you get that from Carter's? Did you get that from Carter's? I'm like, yes, girl, I shop at Carter's all the time. So it's funny how other moms will see my outfit. They'll be like, oh, my son has that, my daughter has that. And I'm like, Carter's? Yeah. So yeah, Carter's is my life. I love it. But anywho, that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. So let me know down below what you think, and are you a Carter's head like me? So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.